Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
So, are you all ready for the Viva?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Smart children. Okay, so we'll start with history. And then after completing this, we'll do political science if we are left with time then. Okay, so let's start with history first. So first of all, I'm going to ask with Abhay Mangar. Abhay
Sir.
Mangar, yes. Where are you, Abhay Mangar?
At home.
Abhay Mangar. Keep your camera on. Can you hear me, Abhay?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Yes. Mangar. So, what was the topic given for your history assignment? So he cannot hear me. Okay, MD Sahil Alam. What was the topic given for the history assignment?
Nelson Mandela.
Okay. Where was Nelson Mandela born?
South Africa.
What is mean by apartheid?
Yes, sir.
What is mean by apartheid?
Apartheid. Hello. Hello.
What is mean by apartheid?
Oh, apartheid. Sir, discrimination.
Properly.
The discrimination.
Between the
Caste.
okay, why was Nelson Mandela imprisoned?
Why was Nelson Mandela in prison? So,
Okay, Alamina. Who was Nelson Mandela? Alamin Ha. I'm asking you, who was Nelson Mandela?
Sir, don't know, sir.
Okay. Okay, Khushbu Khatun, tell me about Nelson Mandela. Khushbu Khatun, who was Nelson Mandela?
Yes, sir. So Nelson Mandela was a South African who was fighting against anti-apartheid revolutionary. So he was a political leader and he was a philosophy who served as president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the country's first black head of state and the first to
First black president of Africa, right? Very good.
Africa.
Okay, how long he was in prison? For how many years he was in prison?
So 27 years.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, you can exit and wait for the another turn. Okay. Okay. Mala Raut Baspor, tell me about Nelson Mandela. Okay, Riya Tiwari, you tell me. Tell me about your assignment file. What all you have written about Nelson Mandela and what idea you got at the end of the assignment.
Sir, what I have wrote in my assignment,
Ah,
this idea. Sir, like he was fighting for the black people, and sir, he was fighting for the black people and he was imprisoned like for conspiring the rival, and sir,
okay. How
I
many
have
years? How many years he was in jail?
27.
Okay, very good. So, who was the first black president of Africa?
Sir, Nelson Mandela, I think.
Okay, very good. What is meant by anti-apartheid movement?
Anti-apartheid movement. Oh shit.
What is mean by apartheid?
Sir, like the discrimination of castes and that black people and that movement.
Okay, apartheid means a discrimination between the blacks and the whites. Okay, blacks were in majority, but still whites who were in minority, very less in number, they dominated the black people. That was known as apartheid. Okay, next MD was saying, what is mean by apartheid?
Sir,
Leela, you can exit.
apartheid means discrimination between white and black.
Okay, very good. For how many years Nelson Mandela was in prison?
Sir, he was in prison for 27 years.
Okay, tell me more about Nelson Mandela.
Sir, Nelson Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary. He was a political leader also, and he served as a president of South Africa in 1994 to 1999, and he was the country's first head state and first elected representative democratic election. He was the first.
Okay, very good. Okay, now Misa Prasad, you tell me. Tell me about Nelson Mandela.
Yes. So Nelson Mandela was born on 18 July 1918.
Yeah, continue.
He was a South African and he became the first president of the South Africa, and he fought for black people.
Okay, very good. For how many years he was in jail?
27 years.
Why did he launch an anti-apartheid movement?
Yes, sir.
Why did he launch a movement against apartheid?
Because he wanted to give equal rights and opportunity to black peoples.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, wait for the political science. Okay, link will be given very soon.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You can exit. Prepare a political science. Time is there. Okay. Now, Vikas Jaiswal, what is mean by apartheid?
So to discriminate the black and white people.
Okay, tell me about the assignment file you have written. What all you have wrote in your assignment file?
Sir, about Nelson Mandela and the features of apartheid.
Yes, tell me some of the important features of apartheid.
Sir, about the equality and freedom of and right to vote.
Okay, tell me some of the important features of apartheid.
Sir, equality and right to vote.
Hmm. Yes.
Sir, the right to work of equality for
Okay, okay, very good, very good. Okay, you can exit now. Now, Abhishek Kiran,
Yes, sir.
mention some of the important features of apartheid.
Apartheid so means discrimination between white and black.
Only this much.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about Nelson Mandela.
So Nelson Ronila Mandela was born on 18 July 1918 and he died on 5 December 2013. Was a South African political. He was the first president of South Africa, and he joined the political party called African National Congress. Nelson Mandela spent in jail till 27 years, and after she came out from jail, she was known as a hero.
Okay, very
And
good.
he is famous for promoting a message of forgiveness and equality.
Very good, very good, very good, Abhishek. Okay, next, Abhiskar Nepal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Abhiskar Nepal. Tell me about Nelson Mandela and what all you wrote in your file, and mention some of the important features of apartheid.
Nelson Mandela was an African. He was a political leader of Africa.
Okay, very good. Anyhow, I'm very much thankful to you. You have attended my class for the first time when the session is going to end. Thank you very much, Abhiskar Nepal. You can exit now. Now, Nisha Prasad, tell me about anti-apartheid movement.
Sir, discrimination against black and white people. Black peoples were not given equal rights, and the black peoples were not given equal rights, and the white people used to get more benefits and more more rights to them.
Okay. Can you tell me some of the important features of apartheid? Main features of apartheid? Main features of apartheid?
So black peoples were not given equal rights, and they were not allowed to sit with white. Black peoples were not allowed to sit with white peoples.
Good. How long Nelson Mandela was in prison?
27 years.
Very good. Can you name the first black president of America?
Nelson Mandela.
America.
America.
Barack Obama. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, you can next. Mala Rao passport. Mala, tell me about Nelson Mandela. Who was Nelson Mandela and why is he remembered even today?
So he was Nelson Mandela, born on 18 July 1918 in South Africa. He was the first president of South Africa. He was the fight against the black people.
Okay, tell me.
He awarded a National Peace Prize.
Mention two important features of apartheid. Two features. Don't know? Okay. Abhay Mangar, once again. Abhay Mangar. Who was Nelson Mandela?
Yes, sir. So Nelson Mandela was the first black president of South Africa.
Okay, can you mention any two important features of apartheid?
So blacks were separated and
Okay, blacks were separated. Okay. Okay, you can exit. Get ready for political science. Next, Mala, you can also exit. Kamal Saraugi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Welcome to the virtual class and the Viva class for the first time in this session. I welcome you. Now tell me about Nelson Mandela.
So Nelson Mandela was the first president of South Africa. He was a political leader who served as president of South Africa for 1994 to 1999. He was the country's first black head state and the first election in a fully representative democratic election. He was born on 18 July 1918.
Mention the important features of apartheid.
So features of apartheid, it mainly focused on racial discrimination about black and white.
Okay, how long he was in prison?
So for 27 years.
Okay, after he was released from the prison, what did he do?
So don't know.
Who was the first black president of America?
So Barack Obama.
And the first black president of Africa?
So Nelson Mandela.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now next, Pratham Vishwakarma. Yeah. Wait for the other one. Okay. Pratham Vishwakarma. Who was Nelson Mandela? Who was Nelson Mandela?
Sir,
Who was
listening.
Nelson Mandela?
Sir, listening. Sir. Yes, sir. Nelson Mandela was born on 18 July 1918 in South Africa. He was a politician and activities. He was the first black president of South Africa.
In which year he was awarded with the Nobel Peace Prize? In which year he was awarded with the Nobel Peace Prize?
1993 and 1994.
1990?
3 and 1994.
Okay, very good. So when did he die? He died on
5th December
5th December
2013.
Wow, very good. Nowadays, nobody remembers the date. Very good. Well done, Pratham. Okay, now you can exit. Okay. Nitisa Khawas, now your turn. Yes, Nitisa, tell me about Nelson Mandela.
Nelson Mandela was South African anti-apartheid revolutionary. He was also a politician and philanthropist. He was born on 18 July 1918 and he also received education in law. He was a lawyer. And after that, he joined African National Congress and he served there. And he repeatedly took part in the activities against racial discrimination. And he was also imprisoned for 27 years in prison. And with the help of J.F.W. de Klerk, he was released from the jail. And then he was elected as the Prime Minister of South Africa. So he was the first Prime Minister of South Africa, and he was also 11th President of South African Congress, like African National Congress. So he died in 5th December. He died in 5th December 2013, and he was also regarded as the father of the nation, like father of South Africa.
Very good. Well done, Nitisa. Well done. Very good. Okay, very good. Well done. Okay, you can exit now and get ready for all science. Okay, Sabrin Naj. Sabrin Naj. Tell me about your assignment work, what you wrote and what was the topic given and what idea you got at the end of the topic. Achha, question by question I'll ask, okay? Who was Nelson Mandela?
South Africa's president, sir.
Very good. What is mean by apartheid?
The discrimination between caste and black and white.
Okay, very good. Discrimination between black and white. Very good. Okay. In which year he died?
5th December 2013.
Wow, very good. Well done, dear. Well done. Very good. Okay, you can leave. Now, rest of the videos are off, so I'm not going to ask questions to them. Okay, I cannot see anybody now. Okay, Nima Lama. Nima Lama.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nima. Okay, you have submitted the file. Okay, tell me about your hard work.
Sir, like ask question.
Yeah, hard work assignment was the hard work for you, no?
No, sir.
Yes, tell me about Nelson Mandela.
So Nelson Mandela was first black president of South Africa. He was a politician and activist. I don't know that much on me.
So you have written so much, right? 20 to 25 pages you wrote and only this much.
So like
tell me.
27 years.
So like he didn't favor if it did. Like
okay, tell me in a simple word, what actually Nelson Mandela wanted to achieve?
So he wanted to end discrimination between black and white people. He wanted to get black people equal opportunity and rights.
Okay, very good. Okay, now next, Lucky Lama. After a long time, I think it's the first time also using Microsoft Teams.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Network is good today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, rest of the time network was not good, no? Good, lucky. You are lucky. That is why today your network is good. Okay, Lucky Lama, tell me about Nelson Mandela.
Sir, he was the first president of South Africa, and
Yes.
he was born on 18 July 1918. He fought for the black people.
Tell me about apartheid.
Apartheid. So, apartheid means discriminations of black and white people.
Okay. Discrimination between the black and the
White people.
Okay, very good. Are you preparing for your board exam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you watching those YouTube videos? No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now next is okay, Lucky, get ready for another Viva. I'll send you the link. Karim Naj, tell me about Nelson Mandela.
Sir, he was the first black president of South Africa, and he was born on 18 July 1918, and he died on 5th December 2013. He was a man of peace, and his presence, he was he's
Yes, you're doing well. Good. Say.
so famous for promoting
Yes,
end of
promoting peace.
discrimination, promoting peace and end of discrimination. He was against the discrimination between black and white. He was awarded for Bharat Ratna.
He was awarded with Nobel Peace Prize.
He was a missionary and could see the big pictures. And he was positive thinking about what it could be.
Very good. Well done. Okay. Okay, next, Dorsi Lama. What happened, Mingma? You're moving on in the room. You didn't get a place to sit. Come on, Mingma. Okay, Mingma. Now, tell me about Nelson Mandela. When was he born? When did he die? And what did he achieve before he died?
Sir?
Yes. Mingma, you're not using earphone. How much disturbance from your side? Tell me what is mean by apartheid?
Separation of blacks and white. Some main features.
Main features say.
Apartheid means complete separation of blacks and white as far as possible at all times. Every person was given a racial classification and an identity card. The blacks had to stay in their reserved areas or fixed townships. the blacks should carry documents at all times and in all places so that the authority can put checks on their movements. Marriage relationship between blacks and white were forbidden. Blacks lost all their rights and their reservations to parliament was abolished.
Very good. Okay. MB Tausif Alam, you can exit.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Tell me about Nelson Mandela.
Sir,
Who was Nelson Mandela?
Nelson Mandela was the first black president of South Africa.
Tell me about your assignment work.
Yes, sir. So it was about Nelson Mandela, teachers, his achievements.
How long he was in prison?
So for 27 years.
For 27 years.
Yes.
Okay, only you are there in the class?
Yes, sir. Last.
Okay. Okay, now we'll start with another. Okay, then get ready for another Viva. So thank you very much. You can exit now. So this is the end of history Viva. Many of the students are absent. They're not bothered about and many did not join the class also. They're still out of station. They think that this year also board will without exam they will be promoted. So I don't think this is possible. So children, whoever are listening to this, please take your studies seriously. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.